Hello Instagram, my name's Damien. I am the director of the SprayWorks, and today, as you can see, is a completely different video or different content from what I normally post. This is only because I am trying to do something else and expand the SprayWorks a little bit, so it's going to be new content on here. Before I crack on with anything else, I just want to say a massive thank you to everyone who supported us with the last incident we've had about 2 weeks ago with a customer who refused to pay us and basically scammed us for our work and our money. And obviously things went out of hand a little bit, but the support we've received from everyone on our Instagram, it was incredible, and thank you very much. And obviously you guys shared the video across, which helped us out a lot, and massive thank you once again. After today, I want to basically announce that I'm going to be starting a new series, basically teaching people how to make their own business and how to be your own boss, and basically how to be self-employed and work for yourself rather than work for somebody else who makes bigger profit than you and you get underpaid for your work. So the new series I'm going to be starting is basically to do with business. I'm only 22 years old. I've started with the SprayWorks when I was 21 with a mate of mine, and basically we've kicked off with absolutely nothing. So my intention is to teach people like yourself on how to start your own business with absolutely nothing, no expenditure at first until you receive your first deposit payment, and obviously how you can increase your quality of work from there, and how to gain more customers, including advertisement, website and marketing and everything like that without any payments up front. So I do hope you guys enjoy, and just stay tuned for it if you want to know how to make your own business. And just basically make sure you follow me, and the series will be coming out eventually. At the moment, it's just in the process of being planned out. Make sure I've got all the steps and everything that I need, but you guys will see eventually on this Instagram page, and there will be other stuff coming on here as well. At the moment, like I said, I want to expand the SprayWorks in a way where it's not just about spraying. I want to do other stuff on here as well, so obviously, yeah, just stay tuned basically. But other than that, cheers guys, and just if you know anyone who wants to start a business, just send them this video and let them follow us. And obviously if you've got any ideas or any questions about a business, send me a text message or DM and I can get back to you with it, with some ideas basically, or some advice for it. Other than that, cheers guys, and have a lovely day.